yun. And then,
Yes.
always exercise caution with your money, especially yung mga hard-earned money natin. Yung mga nabibiktima dito, yung mga retired na nakatanggap ng retirement pay
Yes.
nila, millions from their hard-earned work for 30, 40 years, tapos
30,
ilalagay
40
nila
years.
doon. Yes, kasi gusto nila mapalaki pa yung retirement nila, yung mga
Yes.
na-receive nila sa GSIS or yung mga terminal leave pays nila. So sayang, this is your money na pinaghirapan mo. Don't part with it just so easily. Always
Mm.
verify the legitimacy of the company or the corporation that you want to invest in. Kahit na
Okay.
sino-sino pang may sabi na nag-earn na sila dyan. And
Mm.
also, avoid posting your personal information sa Facebook kasi dito minsan kumukuha sila ng mga information nyo, tapos nagme-message sa inyo, nagte-text, ganon, or nagchat-chat sa inyo. Kahit ako nga, minsan nakakatanggap ako ng mga messages from bank daw
Yes.
sila, or
Mm.
itong company daw sila, tapos nanalo daw ako ng mga second prize, first
Mm.
prize, and all I have to do is to call or to give 50,000 so that I can get the money. These are all
Mm.
scams. So